Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer coins from Sweatcoin to PayPal. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see, on the Sweatcoin app. I've currently got a balance up here in the top right-hand corner of 983 Sweatcoins. Now, from the Sweatcoin home screen, if you actually come down and press onto this person icon just down here on the toolbar, then what you want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner and press onto your profile icon. On your page, what you need to do now is come up to the top right-hand corner and press onto the settings icon. In here, what we're going to do is press onto Help. On the Help screen, what you're going to want to do is come down and press where it says Other Common Queries. And you can see there's a query at the top saying, can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal or bank account? So if we actually press onto this to open it up, as you can see, it currently says at the moment it is not possible to cash out Sweatcoins via PayPal or bank transfer. The long-term vision is to make Sweatcoin a fully fledged currency that will be listed on exchanges. But don't wait for this. Please spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. PayPal and Amazon vouchers are featured regularly, especially if you are inviting new friends. So, can you withdraw Sweatcoin to PayPal? Well, at the time of recording, no, you cannot directly withdraw your Sweatcoin to PayPal. However, as mentioned here, keep an eye on the marketplace, as they do sometimes have PayPal and Amazon vouchers, which you can cash in your Sweatcoins for and exchange for PayPal vouchers. So that's basically how you can transfer coins from Sweatcoin to PayPal. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.